Okay, today we're looking at the Moman Backscreen Selfie Monitor. So what this allows you to do is to see yourself using the front-facing camera, which is higher resolution, instead of the back-facing camera. So we're looking at the device itself. It's not a touch screen. It's just, you got to get used to these buttons right here. Okay, orientation button and volume button. It uses P2P, which is point-to-point connection. We're going to connect it to the iPhone. It's going to work with iPhone. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. When you're going to use it for the first time, it's recommended that you connect the USB-C cable, and it's going to light up red, meaning that it's getting charged. When it's green, you're going to be ready to go. But let's turn it on. And by the way, it does come with the USB cable. And let's turn it on because it's going to give you the instructions on how exactly you're going to do all this. So here we are. There goes the front logo, and then it's going to turn on, and it literally gives you the instructions right there. So it's not hard to do. We're going to pair it now with the iPhone, and I'm going to demonstrate exactly how we're going to use this. And by the way, it won't interrupt your Wi-Fi connection, so if you do TikTok live stream or YouTube or any of those things, it won't interrupt your live stream. It doesn't use the Wi-Fi like that, so you don't have to worry about that. Oh, how does it hold up on the phone? Well, it does come with these magnets right here, so if you wanted to use it on your phone, it won't weigh it down too much, and then you're going to use the other magnet, and you're just going to hold it like that. So this is exactly what it's going to look like. But what we want to do is first pair it. Okay, so in order to pair the monitor, we want to go to this upper screen right here, and then just kind of bring down this tab. So that's going to open up this screen right here. Yours may look different, but you want something that's either smart view, or you want this little icon right here. Okay, so when that happens, it's gonna, you want to go show more. Since it's turned on, it's showing me the moment, so then let's connect to that. And it's gonna ask you for the first time, what is the code? Well, the code is right here, which is pretty simple, which is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you're only gonna need to do it one time. So you're gonna 1 2 3 4. You're gonna hit OK, and then it's gonna start to show you the screen. So it's already showing me the screen right there. See? All right, but what we want to do is we want to open up that camera app, and we want to take a look at that camera. So now see how it's mirroring everything that's on the front of the phone. And so what we want to do is open up that camera app, and now we're seeing the front screen right there. So if I point it that way, you can see that it's showing me that right there. Then let's do a little video here. So there's got the video connected. That's the front facing camera, and if I turn it my way, you're gonna be able to see me right there. By the way, this is 480p in here, so don't worry, the resolution is gonna be the high resolution of the front facing camera. By the way, if you want full 4K, you want to use a third-party app called Blackmagic Camera in order to do that. But this is exactly what the video looks like. So let's film a little bit, so that way I can put the video in here so you can see what it looks like. So now we're using the Moman Selfie Back Monitor, and it's recording. I can see myself. You can see that it's recording. All the buttons on it are the same, similar. It's not touchscreen, so you can't physically touch anything, but it does have these side buttons right here that you're going to use, and then that's how you're going to get your orientation, your volume, all that stuff. It does have volume up and down, so you can control all that with that camera. So I'm going to put this after the video so you can see exactly the resolution from it. So there you go. That's how you use the Bowman on your iPhone. By the way, this is iPhone XS, so it's an older iPhone. If you have a newer one, the process should be the same. I don't think there should be any issues. All right, that's it. What it looks like. So now we're using the Moman Selfie Back Monitor, and it's recording. I can see myself. You can see that it's recording. All the buttons on it are the same, similar. It's not touchscreen, so you can't physically touch anything, but it does have these side buttons right here that you're going to use, and then that's how you're going to get your orientation, your volume, all that stuff. It does have volume up and down, so you can control that with that